Building permits are required for most works in Darebin. New buildings, alterations or change of use, additions, verandas, garages, carports, sheds, swimming pools, fences and more. A building permit ensures each project has the correct documentation and is inspected at various stages, is built by registered and insured builders, is structurally safe and complies with building regulations, codes and standards, and is independently assessed as finished or suitable for occupation. This is different to a planning permit, which allows council to consider the visual and amenity impact on the community. Most construction work will require a building permit, and in many situations, a planning permit can also be required. New homes will also require an occupancy permit before habitation, and some buildings may require a safety maintenance schedule. Always check with building services to find out if you need a building permit or any of the other documents. To apply for a building permit, the main items you'll need include 3 copies of working drawings, a soil report and stormwater drainage details, a recent copy of the certificate of title, and a footing and framing schedule. The City of Darebin's website has a checklist of everything you'll need, as well as the forms for actually lodging the application. You lodge the building permit application with your building surveyor, who'll then notify council for you. Once approved, council will forward you your asset protection permit pack. The pack contains the permit conditions, an invoice for the permit fee and security bond, an asset protection application, and a request for final council inspection form. Before any works commence, you must apply for an asset protection permit. Once your building works are complete, you'll need to submit the request for final council inspection with a copy of the occupancy permit or a copy of the certificate of final inspection, or both. Your building surveyor should provide you with these, and council must receive this documentation before anyone lives in the home. Council's final inspection involves assessing any council assets for damage. If there is any damage, you'll be required to undertake repairs within 30 days of notification. If there's no damage, your bond will be refunded sooner. For more detail regarding building permits, see the Planning and Development page on the City of Darebin website. To determine if your proposal requires a building permit or inquiries regarding applying for a permit, visit Building Services